Sanibonani ma-Africa mahle. Greetings to you all Africans. I hope you guys are good. I'm good. My name is Debos Krosana and this is my channel. The name of the channel is The Agenda. And on this video I'll be talking about the signing into law. The signing into law of the Expropriation Bill. Okay. I believe you guys saw on the news that yesterday, the President Cyril Ramaphosa signed the expropriation bill into a law, okay? And there's been rejections from quite a number of groups. But those rejections are for different reasons, right? You've got your right-wing racist anti-black organizations like your DA, the DA Light being the Action SA, and you've got the Front and other groupings that are opposing it for different reasons. But then you've got the progressives, right, who are opposing the signing into this, the signing of this bill into a law for a particular reason, that this is a watered down version. This is a watered down version of what expropriation of land without compensation means, right, to the natives, to black people, right, to the black people who are the victims of colonialism in its different forms, right? For us as black people, and here I'm talking about the progressive, like the black people who've got self-love, who understand our struggle. I'm not talking about the sellouts in the Action SA and other clever blacks. But for us who are progressives, we understand that this is a watered down version of what is it that we demand when we say we demand expropriation of land without compensation. Meaning Cyril Ramaphosa and his ANC are hoodwinking us again, right? They're trying to hoodwink us again, right? By signing this bill into a law. And then they're doing so, of course, they believe that majority of the people will hardly go and read, right? What does this bill now signed into a law contains, and then do comparisons with what is it that people demanded. Remember, during the process that took place in 2018, when there was a public participation, right, where overwhelmingly black people spoke about expropriation of land, and people spoke about expropriation of land dating back to 1652, right? So I've seen Umkhonto Wesizwe Party, they've released a statement rejecting this. I'm not sure whether the EFF has spoken on this, but I will do a video as well on their statement, that being the EFF, in terms of what is it, are they saying? Are they welcoming this or not? Okay, so on this video I'll be going through the MK Party's statement as they are rejecting this signing into a law of the expropriation bill, right? The statement reads as follows: 23 January 2025, which was yesterday. MK Party rejects the signing of the expropriation bill into law. The Umkhonto Wesizwe Party vehemently rejects the signing of the expropriation bill into law by Mr. Cyril Ramaphosa today. That was being yesterday, right? This legislation, disguised as a solution to South Africa's land question, is nothing but a continuation of injustice and a betrayal of our people's struggles for true land restitution, right? The expropriation bill, by limiting the land restitution to land dispossessed after 19 June 1913, you see what the ANC is doing, Ramaphosa is doing, deliberately entrenches the theft of land that began with the arrival of Jan van Riebeeck on the 6th of April 1952. It ignores the dispossession, violence, and destruction of African livelihoods that occurred even more than 2 centuries before the infamous 1913 Land Act. By excluding the pre-1913 dispossession, this bill ensures that the stolen land of our ancestors remains in the hands of colonial beneficiaries, right? Whereas this law puts money into the pockets of land thieves by requiring compensation for land that was violently stolen instead of redressing historical injustices. It protects the interests of those who continue to benefit from colonial and apartheid era blunder, right? The MK Party categorically rejects this law and its attempts, right? And its attempts to sanitize the theft of our land. Our ancestors' cries for justice cannot be silenced by legislative tricks designed to preserve the status quo. The MK Party reaffirms its commitment to genuine, right, to genuine land restitution. We will soon submit a private members bill that seeks to amend Section 25 of the Constitution. Our starting point will be to move the arbitrary cut-off date from 19 June 1913 to 6 April 1652, the day colonial dispossession began with Van Riebeck's arrival. This is the only way to honor the struggles of our freedom, of our forebearers, and begin to dismantle the structural inequalities that persist to this day. We call on progressive forces to reject this law and join us in the fight for true justice. The land was stolen and it must be returned without conditions or compensation. Simple as that. And I totally agree with the Umkhonto Wesizwe Party statement. It's self-explanatory in terms of why they are rejecting it and all of that. And I hope other progressive forces will join in and forget their egos and petty squabbles, that here as black people we need to unite and defeat what the ANC and Ramaphosa are trying to do here. Right? As I've said, the right-wing and racist organizations are opposing it for different reasons. Right? But for us, we as black people, as progressive black people, say it must go back to the day when the dispossession happened. All right, that's my view, and this is the argument that I'm advancing. I don't know what you guys make of it, and I'm interested to hear what you guys make of that. And you can comment in the comment section below. Let me hear your views. Let's engage there. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, and remember to join. Click the join the button there to become the member to the channel. Siyabonga ma-Afrika, makukhanye izwe lethu.